This is not cool. I think we're definitely gonna need a crank. Wow. This is not okay. Holy crap. No bueno. You guys really need to subscribe. What's up, guys? It's Race Car Richie. And I'm gonna be tearing down the bottom end. Let's tear it up. Action sequence. Anyway, yeah, I try to be funny. I don't really know if I am. We're gonna take all this off, take the pistons out, take the crank out, put them in bags, bring them to the machine shop, have them clean them off. I'm gonna have the crank checked. I'm gonna have that one rod checked. And that's pretty much all I need. Then we'll come back and reassemble everything. No, I'm telling you, I'm funny.
No, you're not.
They don't know anything.
You're right, they don't.
Listen.
No, you listen.
Are you kidding me?
I'm serious.
How can you say I'm not funny?
Because you're not funny.
A little bit?
Not even close.
Not even a little bit.
Nope, not one chance.
That is such bull. Hammer time. Yeah. So it looks like when I checked, I have 2 spun rod bearings. This is not cool. This is not okay. No bueno. This is rod number 3. It did not spin, but it's very damaged. Alright guys, so the pulley, I might have put too much Loctite on the bolt, and I think some Loctite got in there. I've been very gently tapping it as to not to damage the teeth, but to kind of break free the Loctite that's in there. It's still on there, so I'm just going to kind of start taking some stuff apart. I'll get back to this. I just got to get a pry bar and get a pry bar behind here as I'm gently tapping it, and it should just pop off. I just don't think that little screwdriver I have is going to work. Most likely I'm going to get a new oil pump housing anyway, due to the fact that bearing material ran through the pump, and it's most likely going to need to be replaced anyway. But on a good note, I'm hitting it and this is coming off. So I guess we broke it free, and at this point it's just going to come right off with a couple of taps. Totally forgot to turn on the camera, but took the bolts off. Now I got to take the studs out. Hello? Why did I grab the crappiest battery that I have? Well, I think we're just gonna sand her, boys. Don't need that. We got some damaged journal bearings too. But the bearings did not spin, so that's good. But they're definitely damaged. So I'm thinking we might just play it safe and I might just get a new crank. Just had to run outside to get a different tool. It's downpouring, so I'm wet. Ooka shaka, ooka, 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 ooka. I don't know, boys. I think we're definitely gonna need a crank. I don't know if I want to get this refinished. I think we're gonna play it safe and get a new crank. Which means polish, balanced, chamfer these holes, and then we can rebuild the bottom end. So that's it. I'm done. That's all I had to do. The whole thing's apart. Thanks for watching and subscribe. You guys really need to subscribe. Really need to subscribe. You really need to subscribe. Like, subscribe to me so I can make all the money and make this thing 1,000 horsepower and make it go down the track in 7 seconds. And then I could race the boosted boys, their MR2, Kyle's MR2, and be like, yo, what's up, Kyle? Let's race. And then I'm gonna go first, second, third. Thanks for watching.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need
Oh yeah?